Here we got a 1964 Studebaker Avanti, one of 809 built in 1964, all fiberglass body. First American production automobile with disc brakes, factory built-in roll bar, factory installed stainless steel exhaust, straight pipes. It's got the Chrysler Sure Grip 8 3/4 Pumpkin rear, 289 V8, which should be, it's Ford. Frame off restoration 2002 at 48,000 original miles. So this thing's all fiberglass. The old 289. I mean, highly advanced car for 64, big time. Highly advanced. Look at the styling on this interior too. Plenty of ashtrays. Gas tray in the console there with the cigarette lighter. Ashtray down there in the back there. Little glove compartment too. A lot of the instrumentation is really done very well. You notice the mirrors are up on the fenders, a la European style. Plenty of vanity space. That's a cute shifter on there too, kind of smart like that. It's an automatic, so you don't need to be shifting it. Sweet car, huh?